Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix this Google Play Store error download pending for a long time. To fix this, just follow the steps. Go to settings from your phone and go to apps or application settings. So once you click on application or app settings, you can see the list of applications will be available. You have to go to Google Play Services. Just click on that, then click on storage, then click on clear cache. Then you have to click on manage storage, then click on clear all data and click OK. So now again you go back to settings, go to application or apps. So now you have to go to Google Play Store settings. So go to Google Play Store. So once you go here, you have to go to storage, then click on clear data. So once this is done, you have to go back to Google Play Services, then check whether all the permission is enabled for Google Play Services. Just check every permission that has been enabled for this particular application. So once this is done, you go back and go to Google Play Store and then check that all the permissions have been enabled for Google Play Store as well. Once this is done, go to top slider. Then you have to go to flight mode and just turn it off and turn it on once. So this will reset your network connection. So now you go to Play Store and try to download any application. So I'm trying to download Chrome here and I'm clicking on update. So now it is installing and it gets installed. Tell me in the comment section that this solution worked for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.